In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix sound not working on Mac. So let's get started. So first, we're gonna look at the quick checks, and then we're gonna go in deeper into the software and hardware issues. So first of all, obviously make sure that your sound is max, because sometimes you don't even realize and it's basically zero, yeah? So make sure it's max. Then you have to check your output devices. So for that, go to System Settings, then go to Sound, and here under the output you have to make sure that you have selected MacBook Pro speakers and not something else, because for example, if you have connected AirPods, HDMI or monitor speakers, most of the time it's left to those things only. When you remove them, it has selected those things which were there before, so you have to make sure that you change it to MacBook Pro speakers every time, otherwise you're not gonna hear anything, okay? Then we have Bluetooth. So make sure that your Bluetooth is closed, because sometimes the sound is routed to the AirPods in your bag, a Bluetooth speaker nearby, or a TV via Apple TV or screen mirroring, okay? Now we're gonna look at the software fixes, okay? So first we have to restart Core Audio. To do this, just go to your Launchpad and open Terminal. Now once you're here, you'll have to write in this command, which is sudo kill all Core Audio OD, okay? So no, Core Audio D. Now once you've written this command, just click on enter, type in your password, and when you type in your password, you're not going to see it getting typed, but it is typing in the background. Then just click on enter and your audio restarts automatically. I'm just going to close that now. Then you could obviously try restarting your Mac, because sometimes it solves many sound driver problems. Then you could try resetting NVRAM, but this is only for Intel Macs, because for Apple Silicon Macs, they have no manual NVRAM reset. It resets automatically on reboots. So now to do that on an Intel Mac like mine, what you have to do is you have to shut down your Mac, and when you're turning it on, you have to immediately hold Option plus Command plus P plus R. Now you have to hold this for 20 seconds and you're gonna reset it successfully. Then lastly, the last software check is that you have to check your sound in safe mode. So you'll have to boot into safe mode to see if the issue is software related. Now if you're on an Apple Silicon, you'll have to shut down and hold power until options appears. Then you have to continue holding shift. For Intel, you just have to restart and hold shift the entire time. Now if sound works in safe mode, an app or extension is interfering. Now let's look and talk about the hardware related fixes. So check headphones or ports. Make sure nothing is plugged into the headphone jack. Look for dust or debris inside the jack. And if you're wondering what jack is, it's basically the hole you put your headphones into. And for Macs that use USB-C audio, try another port or cable. Now if you're using an HDMI or a display audio, for example, if you're using a monitor, you'll have to go to Sound. Obviously go first to System Settings, then Sound, and under the output device, make sure that you've selected the display you're using, because otherwise the sound is going to come out of your Mac and not from the TV. And also make sure that the monitor's own volume settings are set to max and they're not muted, yeah? So yeah, those are basically all the fixes that you could do to fix your volume. If it's still not fixed, then you'll have to go contact your nearest Apple store, and hopefully you can get an appointment from them and they'll help you fix it then. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.